for this webinar about StoreFlaunt. Myself, Abhishek, working as a project lead at Curinom Solutions, which is a product-based company. 2 years, we started with our offices in India, and we are glad to move to Indonesia, Singapore, and South Africa. We built a phenomenal product that solves the complexity of small and medium-scale enterprises in the marketplace. StoreFront is a marketplace application that connects buyers and sellers in a trusted and efficient environment through a video context. Currently, we have our leadership discuss on the game-changing application, which is StoreFront. We would like to welcome our CTO and technology partner from South Africa, Mr. Godfrey Ziobu, and we also have our visionary leader, Mr. Hidi Vizonu from Indonesia, who accelerates our business in Southeast Asia. We would like to talking to us more about this phenomenal product. So, hello, Mr. Godfrey, and hello, Mr. Hidi. Welcome to this webinar.
Thank you, Abhishek. Good to be here.
Yeah. So, I would like to start about to discuss with Mr. Godfrey about what is StoreFlaunt and what are the features that will benefit a customer and a business owners or the enterprises by using StoreFlaunt.
Thank you, Abhishek, for that wonderful question. Perhaps before I even talk about StoreFlaunt itself, it's better to indicate that StoreFlaunt is an in-house developed product. We have showcased our to develop the product that we're going to talk about. StoreFlaunt is a location-based service. In essence, I would like to call it a platform where store owners are able to showcase their own products through which they can upload multimedia and showcase their best products. After which they are able to get reviews and all interaction that allow them to interact and extend the reach of their customers. Thank you, Abhishek.
Oh, that sounds really wonderful. So we would like to know a little bit more about what sort of technologies that we have used in developing this application.
All right. We have really gone for the technology that's available out there. Our stack or technology layer, as we call it, is JavaScript. It's what we call the main stack. And the developers really started from a monolithic perspective and they moved into what is now known as microservices. So we are really excited about what we see in there. But it is in line with the best of technologies. It's a web-based application and it's also available on the mobile platforms, iOS and Android. Thank you, Abhishek.
That's very good to hear. We are really fantastic to know that we are using some trending technologies to develop this amazing product. So now I would like to ask Mr. Hudi about how can a customer reach out to a vendor or a business owner by using this StoreFront application?
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. So within the StoreFlaunt, actually we simplify the customer vendor communication by integrating one-click direct messaging and also call functionality within the platform itself. Also, we have like a clickable social media and contact link where within one click, customer can directly contact to the vendor. And also we have like a smart QR code engagement. This seamless connectivity ensure instant interaction, helping business convert interest into the action. I think that's, yeah. Back to you, Isaac.
That's really wonderful because users are getting various ways to reach out to the vendor or business owner through the application. So we'd like to know a little bit more in deep about StoreFront. So I would like to ask Mr. Godfrey about what actually is StoreFront is a digital display and how it will help the business owners to showcase their products or the services that which they are offering.
Okay, thank you for that. So think of digital display, Abhishek, as like your billboard. So think of what is the product you the site and then you are able to use that to extend the reach of whatever that is in your store. So that is really the functionality for users and our store owners to take advantage of. Thank you, Abhishek.
Oh, that's nice to hear. So like talking about like storefront which acts as a digital display. I would like to share one small scenario that which has occurred to me recently. When I'm trying to purchase a product through online, and I face the challenge where the product is damaged or like it is not working properly, and I don't have an option to return or else get a refund amount regarding. So, like, I would like to ask Mr. Bode, like, what are the common challenges that users faces that Token might solve them by using this application? Over to you, Mr. Bode.
Hello? Oh yeah, sorry. I'm put it on. Okay, the key challenge include actually in the e-commerce currently, right? This include the low line visibility and also static content fatigue, limited direct engagement with high marketing cost as well. Also, there's a lack of the real-time insight, like you mentioned in your scenario, right? So with the scanner, with the StoreFlaunt, we can address this with the video first product storytelling, where the business owner can showcase their product with the video, and also there's a built-in customer communication tools, like I mentioned earlier, and also we have like a AI driven analytic and dashboard. This one will be helpful for the business owner to analyze their business within one screen. Okay, and also we have affordable campaign tools and QR integration. It will be a result more visibility, stronger customer relationship, and also higher ROI with a minimal complexity. I think that's what we address for the challenge in commerce recently. Back to you, Isaac.
Oh, that's really nice. And I would like to know, like, the user audience also want to know, like, more about, like, in the user's perspective, how it might solve the problems that the users are facing as well. Yeah. So,
Hello?
Mr. Bode, like, the question is, like, how storefront will solve the problems that a general customer might also be facing by using this application.
Yeah, like I mentioned that there's like a built-in customer communication tool with the vendor, so they can directly make the complaint or make the make any report to the business owner regarding what is the defect or what is the challenge when they get the product itself. Also from the storefront perspective as well, we can have like become like a middleman where we can also help them to solve the issue between the buyer and also the business owner.
Oh, that's really good to hear about that. And there are various ways for the users to not only find about the products, but also the services that which various professionals might be offering. And
Yeah.
so, yeah. So, as we talking about like it's a video-centric platform, I would like to ask Mr. Godfrey about like how this video-centric platform will be really helpful and to showcase the products and services for any business owner.
Right. So video it's really a way, a multimedia option, Abhishek, if you like, for store owners to, really showcase their best products. So as really also indicated, we want the store owners to be their best marketer. So the video feature really enables them to be able to showcase or pick the products that they feel are the best that they can put, and the platform that we provide for them really enables.
Oh, that's really nice because getting to know more about the products or services through video, it might be really helpful for the user to know better about the product or the services that which the business owner is offering. So, talking about like we heard like there is a one functionality or feature we can say which is known as dynamic QR code and how it is going to be useful for the business one. We would like to know a little bit more about this, Mr. Bhatt.
Right, right. So the QR code, as you know, Abhishek, is really, that picture which is like an anagram where, people can then, use their cameras to be able to get a information. So we enable our store owners to be able to use that load their best feature of the store, they can then generate a QR code which they can share with whoever they need to really extend the reach and make it easier through that so that the customers can just use the QR code and then come back and access the product or services that they are showcasing through our platform. Thank you, Abhishek.
Oh, that's really good to hear. So, like, we just wanted to know, like, a little bit more about this QR code. Like, I mean, like, will it list all the products or the services that which the store owner is providing or offering to the customers?
So Abhishek, remember the QR code is really the start. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about something called the Run campaign. Okay, I think we'll talk about it now and maybe expand it on it as the session continues. So let's say I have the best product, I create a video and then I upload it and then I want to do a campaign. A campaign would be maybe there's some sort of a event, a special event in the area, religious festival, a traditional festival, target a specific segment of the market. So then I can generate the QR code and then use the different platforms that are available, the social media platform available to share that with my clients. And then further on, continue the marketing campaign if you like in that manner. So that's really something about that's really exciting about this feature, Abhishek.
Oh, that's really good to hear. And like, is there any option for the vendors to promote their products through various social media channels as well? Like we can say any social media handles to like promote their products or run a campaign for the using the storefront application.
Oh yes, they can use WhatsApp, they can use Facebook, they can use messaging. So as long as they have a list of the customers that they would like us to reach, email just to add onto the list of things that they tools that they can use to really reach their customers. We really enable that through our platform. So what our store owners or our customers will find is that it's an easy to use platform and all the customers within the Abhishek.
Oh, that's really good to hear because like promoting the products through the various social media handles as well, like that might get attention of the customers and it might even grab attention for the sellers or vendors to promote their products. So that's really a great feature where that will help the vendors to showcase their products and the services. And talking about like promotion itself, so I would like to know, Mr. Rudy, like, are there any other ways that which vendor can use storefront to promote their products or services along with their own campaign?
Like Godfrey also mentioned that the storefront offer multi-channel promotion engine, right? That's including the targeted video campaigns where the business owner can create the video campaigns for their product and services. Also, we provide also with interactive banner and feature placement, right? And also we have like we call it a QR power marketing drive where with the QR flexible QR also we can create marketing drive on that QR as well. So it will be shared also through the social media through the functionality within the storefront and automate run campaigns tool as well. Those all integrated approach help vendor reach their audience effectively with minimal effort and maximum uh, impact, especially for the sales.
Wow, that's really good to hear. Like it will really help the business owner to reach out to the multiple customers across the. Yeah. So I would like to know from Shubha, like right now, like how AI is influencing the market or in the industry. So what sort of AI-powered tools that are available in StoreFlaunt that can help the business owners to analyze their business or the services or products that which they are offering?
Right. So, Abhishek, usually when we talk about data and reporting, uh, most people just want to know, hey, how many products did I sell and all those kind of things. So we go over and above that in that we allow the AI, the artificial intelligence, to really offer additional insights into the data that we provide to our customer through the platform. So you have your predictive analytics, which will allow you to see how you're doing comparison to your competitors. What can you do better, to be able to improve your reach within your area and the product. So those are some of the things that are over and above just the normal reporting that one would get from any of the platforms that you see out there. So we really would encourage our customers to take advantage of artificial intelligence because I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in later on in the webinar. Abhishek?
Oh, that's really glad to hear that. And also, like, can you a little bit tell us about the storefront AI capabilities that even help the business owners to know more about what sort of products or what sort of services are like highly utilized by the customers in the particular market area? Like, is there any tools like
So
that might help them to get to know more about this?
yeah, like I said, Abhishek, so you remember the platform itself will generate a lot of insight for our customers. So the area where they operate, the products that they are showcasing, the reviews that the customers are providing for them, how the users are interacting with the videos that they are able to, upload into the website. So all those insights, very, very for our store owners, but also to add onto that additional insights that analytics can provide will allow them to see things that under normal circumstance we wouldn't be able to see, but they can use them to take advantage of the situation and improve the segmentation, interact with the clients. Abhishek?
Oh, that's really nice to hear about that. And I would like to know a little bit more about like how will Storefront respond to the advent of AI in this current industry trends?
All right. I'm glad you asked that, Abhishek, because there isn't any corner of our technology industry, especially from my perspective as the CTO, where we don't talk about artificial intelligence, where we don't talk about LLMs. You hear about ChatGPT, you hear about DeepSeek, you hear about all these platforms. Now, what does it mean for us as Stockland? What it means is that we are also gearing our product so that it can be used by those platforms as well. Our platform itself has got APIs that when you develop your own agents within your own business, then you can really, in essence, interact with our platform in that manner. So think of the concept that we spoke about earlier of the run campaign. In the future, to tell your agent to say, go and do this festival via the StoreFlaunt. So our APIs will enable that, and then you will also be able to run the campaign, get the videos that you need, and in essence, also get the insights from how the campaign is run, what you need to do to improve. Just embracing the concept of AI in Stockland, and moreover, in current solution in the best way possible, and be able to allow that to become an extension of the business.
Oh, that's really wonderful to hear because using the AI, like implementing such amazing features, might be really helpful for the vendors to showcase the products or the services to vast of customers across their locality. So, talking about like the subscriptions or the pricing, so we'd like to know and hear from Mr. Godfrey again, like what sort of pricing strategies or that we are implemented in the storefront comparing to the market.
All right. So, as you know, Abhishek, I'm a technocrat. So, it's important to talk about pricing, but the important thing about pricing is value for money. So, before I even hand over to my colleague here, Hudi, uh, what you see as functionality for most of the products that you can say compete with StoreFlaunt, even though StoreFlaunt is it's a patented product, by the way, Abhishek. Don't forget to mention that. This product has got features that are way over what we would say, right? But when you look at the way that we put the pricing, so the minimum where we target the small to medium business, and then saying the position. But I would like Woody to maybe contextualize it more for the Indonesian market. Woody, over to you.
Yeah, Godfrey mentioned as well, right? I think in terms of the pricing, we are transparent because we have we can give to you the affordable plan for MSMA, what we call it a micro, small, medium enterprises, where it's very man, very business owner in here, and also in I think in Southeast Asia country as well. And also we have a custom enterprise solution as well, where there's no commission also on sales. Where if you see another platform, they will give you or they will charge you any enterprise commission for on its sales. So within the storefront, I believe that we will not charge you any commission on every sales that you make, right? And also because our mission is a democratize e-commerce access with minimum value at a minimal cost. That's what I can add.
Oh,
Back
okay.
to you.
So that's really good to hear, like because affordable pricing will help the vendors to utilize this application, showcase their
Yes.
products and the services. So that's really glad to know that about the product. So I even like would like to know a little bit more about like storefront about like why to choose storefront over the competitors that we have in the market. I think Mr. Huri, like you can answer this question.
Okay. Again, we back to the price, right? Isaac, of why storefront stand apart with the challenge of the currently market, right? So because of the price, one is the price. Of course, what we call in Indonesia is called is UUD, ujung-ujungnya duit, means every time back to the money, right? And also, we like I mentioned, also we have a video first commerce experience where it will be standing out from competitor with the video contents. Especially business owner can build their own content, and also we integrated with AI insight and campaign tools, seamless QR engagement, and also integration. Okay, frictionless setup for any size of business. So we not just only for the SMA, but also we can also aim the a big enterprise as well, like a B2B as well, right? Also with the storefront, we creating like mobile first enable performance, right? And it's not just e-commerce platform. It's fully a service digital growth engine designed for the modern and customer, and the ambition for the business owner. One last thing that maybe I can add is with the storefront we not just uh, building a store, but we're trying to building a brand.
Oh, that's really good, really. This might really be one of the best option for the customers, like to get to know more about the local vendors and local vendors to attract more customers in their particular location. So that's really really helpful for the vendors as well. And so, like talking about some of the comments or questions that we got from our audience from this webinar. So, like this question, like we got from Shahud Godfrey, like storefront, how it's useful for local vendors.
Sorry, that's for me, right, Abhishek?
Yes, it's for you, Shahud.
Okay.
How
Okay.
storefront is useful
So
for vendors.
so we have created a really user-friendly interface, okay, for the vendors to be able to log in and interact with application and be able to upload a specific material that they need their customers to see. And obviously, as you know, the location is very, very important. There's always an expression here. I don't know if it's worldwide thing, but they say location, location, location. So location is key, and we want our store owners to be able to reach all the customers in the area, and that interface allows them to do that. Thank you. Abhishek?
That's really good to know. And would you like to tell us like a little bit more about how this might be helpful for the customers as well, like from it considering from a particular location as
So I think what you see is Abhishek, that there aren't very specific location targeted advertising, if you like. But what we trying to change with StoreFlaunt is that we want to ensure that the store owners within the locality can showcase their best product out there, so they can really extend their reach beyond where they operate.
well. Oh, that's really nice. Got it. And so one more question that we got from Mr. today, like considering the Indonesia market area, so how storefront might be really grab an attention over the local vendors in that particular locality.
Yeah, I think we're talking about back in previous era, right? Where we have like a phone book, right? Where phone book is like white. There's a two kind of books. There's a white page and also yellow page. So I think storefront is more in here. We can say that the modern yellow book, where the local customer can see and also can looking for any product or services that they looking for in within their area. So detail from for customer perspective, it will be offer an intuitive, engaging shopping experience, right? And for the business owner itself, it will be unlock the powerful capability in digital branding, customer interaction, campaign management, and also data-driven decision making with the or the AI capability. And it will be ultimate driving conversion and sustainable growth as well.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. And we'd like to know a little bit more from African perspective as well. So how storefront might be a game-changing application in that market area. From Mr. Corporate, would like to hear it from you.
Thank you, Abhishek. I really can't wait to get Stockland in Africa. Really looking forward to it. Simply because we have so many business owners, local business owners, even here in South Africa, our government is really going out of their way to make sure that they can support the local businesses. So I believe that it will be a theme that you can find in any of the African countries that you visit. So we are really looking at rolling out storefront to ensure that our store owners and their clients can really interact, not just at a local base, but really expanding that web of business or that cycle of business wider and wider and wider. But we believe starting in your area and showcasing your products to your clients, we really allow you to grow your business, and we really want to see that growth especially here in Africa, very passionate to see that it go into the belly of things to improve and increase the business interactions on the ground. Abhishek?
Oh, that's really good. Glad to hear about this. And so we would like to know, like there is one more question from audience, like regarding, is there any way for the user or customer to reach out to the vendor in the marketplace, like by visiting the location physically? So, is there any option from us, like from StoreFront, where user can reach out to the vendor and check out the products or the services that which they are offering? I would like Mr. Godfrey to answer this.
Ah, thank you. Of course, the way that we communicate in the modern day is through chat. So why shouldn't we have a chat feature as well on StoreFlaunt? So I'm very impressed that the team went over and above and developed the ability for the customers and the store owners to really interact, not just from a customer review, not just from an email, but also from a chat perspective as well.
Oh, that's
Okay.
nice. Got it. And like there is one more question from the audience, like it's regarding similar. So is it mandatory to have a physical store, or anyone who wants to sell their products can register with storefront as well? So Mr. Corpe, I think you can take it up this question.
Okay. Okay. So remember, Abhishek, what is a store? A store is really where if you like, you are able to showcase your products. So how people reach you is really for you to say, I want people to reach me in this specific location, this specific shopping center, or this specific mall. But we all know that even the best of businesses started somewhere. So we are not restricting our store owners to say you need to showcase or be a product in that store. If you believe in your location, start somewhere. There's big businesses, big successful businesses that started from a garage. So if your garage is your location and you've got products that you can showcase from there, just get them to Storefront. Then we will reach the area around you, and then your business can expand that way.
Oh, that's really good to hear, because it really will be helpful for the vendors to talk more about like how the business started, how it is grown up, and what sort of like products or the services that which they are offering. So it's really good to know that. And a question to Mr. Ode, like about summarizing this, like how the storefront will be really a game-changing app for small and medium-scale enterprises or business owners by using this application to showcase their products and the services.
Yeah, like I mentioned earlier regarding the small medium enterprise, right? So basically, from our perspective of the store owner, the storefront itself is not we're trying to reach or help the business owner, especially a small medium enterprise, to at least to start their own business, because if they don't have like for example, we want to go somewhere, we need to have some kind like vehicle. So we expected that you use a storefront as your vehicle to start your business and then achieve your target goal, which is a successfully have your own business online, right? With
Yeah.
the minimum price as well.
Okay, so that's really good to know. And even like about some of the features or functionalities, like as you have mentioned earlier, like the various ways for the customer to reach out to the vendor or the business owner. So, like for suppose, like if a vendor customer wants to purchase some products on a bulk, so is there any option for them like to quote for that or to bid for that, something like that? So I think Mr. Perfect like can answer this.
All right. Thank you again. So the functionality that you're referring to, Abhishek, is really around a customer review. So we expanded that to enable a bit more that the customer can input, so that they can really show, what they feel about the product. So I believe this function is going to grow and grow, but we are not just looking at an issue of a customer review, basic customer review. We're looking at what does it mean that the specific customer has interacted with a product from that specific store owner, so that we can be able to make it better, not just for us from a data perspective, but also from the store owner to improve their reach as well as the quality.
Oh,
That's it.
that's yes, understood. It's really good feature where customer can talk about like the bulk quantity that which the product that you want to purchase from the vendor. That's really good. And like would like to know a final question that which we got from audience, right? So how like a vendor can reach out to the customers in case there are some various sales or like festival offers at which they are promoting or like they want to do over his store. So is there any way like to for the vendor to talk about like the sales or discount prices which he wants to promote over the store? I think we
Okay.
should take it.
Would you want it? Should I take it, or okay? Let me start, and then I'll hand over to my colleague Rudy.
Sure.
So we spoke about the run campaign, right? So the run campaign really, any area that you go to, Abhishek, if you travel or you have the luxury or the fortune of traveling, you find that throughout the year they've got specific events, festivals, holidays that they have in that area. So we thought to ourselves, it's better that we use this platform to enable our store owners to really run campaigns that run with those specific events or those specific functions, so that we can enable them to really increase their reach from a business perspective. As an example, here in South Africa, we just had a holiday of Youth Day. So why not run a campaign around, something that relates to brand, and you've got really funky youth clothes that you want to showcase? This is the platform for it. Or you have got, materials or education material, or want to sell them during why don't you go for that? That's what. Woody, you want to?
Yeah, actually, within the StoreFront, right, it's allow vendor to launch time-sensitive promotion, I think, and also special offer directly within their digital storefront. So it will be a customizable visual as well. So it will be matched with any certain event or any certain campaign that maybe from the business owner want to run. Right?
Oh, that's really glad to hear know that because it will help the vendors to talk more about the particular sales or the promotions that which they are having in a particular season to customers in the
Yeah.
locality. So that's really a good feature. I think like we come to an end like with the questions from the audiences. So it's yeah like I would like to thank Mr. Porfirio and Mr. Hudi for attending this webinar and sharing some of the valuable insights regarding storefront application and solving the queries or the doubts that we got from the audiences. We would like to thank the audience also to go through our application by using the link shared in the comment section or the description and get to know more about the application. Once again, thanks to everyone for joining this webinar and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you, Mr. Korpe, and thank you, Mr. Rudy, for joining
Thank
this
you.
webinar.
Thank you, Abhishek, for having us. Really, you're a wonderful
Oh,
host. Thank you so much.
one thing that I want to add also that our commitment in the storefront is to stay ahead of the curve and also ensuring our user benefit from smarter tools, yeah, like the storefront. have a deeper insight of your business and offer effortless scalability. You know,
Okay.
yeah, I think
Yes.
that's a good information. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think also from maybe from my side, just to steal the opportunity as well. Uh, Remember, StoreFlaunt is a product of Curinum Solution. So, we have a fantastic pipeline of other products that the team is busy working on. So we can't wait to showcase some more, as we say. Thank you so much, Abhishek.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav, and thank you, Mr. Puri, for joining this webinar and providing a valuable insights regarding storefront. And I also like audiences, you can once go through the links that which we shared over the comment section regarding storefront, and you can get to know more about it. And thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Sampai